Hi everyone, Sunny here. Today we're going to be doing a fun, creative Halloween bat craft. Very quick, very easy to do. Do it yourself, do it with kids. Things you're going to need are a sheet of black construction paper, glue, reinforcement tabs. These are the kind that go over theme paper for a notebook or something like that. White crayon, scissors, and clothespins. Back again. Well, as we get started, let me just say that since we are working with scissors, if you're doing this craft with children, make sure they have child-safe scissors or you do the cutting for them. I have, in case you're not a great drawer for a template already made, and I will show a picture of it in the instructions. So, first thing you do is grab your template, put it over a black piece of contact paper. This is half a sheet. That's about the size of the bat that I use. Trace it with a white crayon, and you'll end up with this after you then cut it out. Now, you might be better with scissors than your children are. It's okay, because this is the one my son did for me years ago. You can see that it's not perfect, but it's perfect to me, and he loved it. I adore it. So then you take your reinforcement tabs. I usually take a little piece of paper and just put it underneath the tab, because these are just stickers. You put it underneath the hole, put the reinforcement tab over it like a sticker. It holds that piece of paper in place. And then you can color it green, or you could just use a piece of green construction paper as well. Then you take the white crayon and you draw the mouth, and don't forget the fangs. Then the back, I take a piece of thin white cardboard, and I just glue it to the top there just to make it a little sturdier and reinforce it. Then I take the glue and I put it on the side of the clothespin, and I put it on. Set it aside to dry. Go out, look at your flowers, and we'll be back when it's dry. Well, I'm back, and everything's dry, and this was such a fun project. Fun, scary for Halloween, and the kids will love it. These are great to clip on baskets like I did here. I think I might put these on a wreath for the front door. Gosh, you can clip them on curtains anywhere you want. Hope you had fun. Come visit us on GalleryDen.com. Hey, do what you love. Be creative. Bye.